We welcome Zeus and Gotaro. He is 12 years old and grade 7 pupil, the son of Mr. Jervil and Mrs. Katie Pau Gotaro. His motto, try until you succeed. Again, our Grand Springs 2025, Zeus and Gotaro.
The entrance of Reina de las Flores 2025. The Queen of Flowers, offering the beauty and joy of creation to honor the Blessed Virgin.
We welcome Jeremy T. Bansa. She is 13 years old and a grade 7 pupil. The daughter of Barangay Update Felicio and Mrs. Lori Bansa. Her motto, trust in the Lord and He will give you the desire of your heart. Again, our